Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, in honor of Halloween, I am doing a colored contacts kind of like review slash try on haul for you guys. And I am actually working with TTDEYE on this video today. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me the contacts for today's video, so thank you to them for sending them out to me. Look at how cute this packaging is. So if you didn't notice, I actually have green contacts in right now, and my natural eye color is like a darker brown, like a medium to dark brown. So I have some green ones in today, and I decided to put these little cat ears on because I was just feeling festive for Halloween, you know? So when TTDEYE reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a video with them, I was like, yes, because it's Halloween, and like what better time to explore colored contacts? What better time to use colored contacts than to use them on Halloween? Of course, they do offer prescription contacts. So if you actually do wear contacts every day for your everyday life, you can get your prescriptions at TTDEYE. If you do not wear glasses and you don't wear contacts, you can get ones with no prescription. That's what I have in right now. They have no prescription on them, but it does help you get a fun little color if you want to change it up. So of course you can wear the contacts just on a daily basis if you want to just change up your eye color for fun. It really changes your whole fit, girl. It really changes the whole look just to get a different color eye. And you can also use them for cosplay and Halloween. There's just so many different things you can do with these colored contacts, but especially for me, it's all about Halloween. If you want to take your costume up a notch, like you gotta put some contacts, it's really gonna take it to the next level. But yeah, they have a bunch of different categories for Halloween, cosplay, natural. These are more of like the natural ones. Right now I'm wearing ice green. So this is called ice green, and this could definitely be worn on a more natural day. I decided to just play up my makeup and make it real cute, and I was like, you know what? I feel like a pretty little kitty, so I'm gonna put my little cat ears on, and I feel super cute, and I love the way that this looks. I will say that I don't have any eye drops or contact solution, which I should have bought before this video, but I really wanted to talk to you guys about these contacts before it's too late to order for Halloween, because Halloween is literally around the corner. We're just a couple of weeks away. So yeah, let's get into the rest of these stuff. Let me show you the package. So first of all, I want to shout out to them that the packaging is phenomenal. Like, this is very, very cute, very professional setup, you guys. Such a cute little box. Like, so this is like a little sheet of stickers, which I thought was just like a super nice touch. Like, just a bunch of little stickers. I think it's so cute. This is their little like welcome card kind of thing. It says hello, and there's like an eye there. Oh, it's just so nice how they package this, you guys. And then here's all the stuff you get. So I have 4 different contacts that they sent me. This one is called Zombie Curse. And I also got Dangerous Ruby, Hulk Green. So I got 2 green contacts. I don't know, I like green. But this one, even though it says Hulk, I was thinking of wearing for my witch costume for Halloween. So this is a more brighter, like cartoony green, like not natural. This is more on the natural side. This one's gonna be like ba-bam when I put it in. And they also give you like this little pot of glitter. I'm not sure what this is for. Do not put this in your eyes because this is glitter, but I think it's a nice touch. Maybe it's for makeup, Halloween makeup. You can use it for your nails even. And they also have this. What is this? Oh, so this says it's a little hand mirror. So if you're like on the go, oh, that's so cute. How cute. So it looks like a button. It looks like, you know, those buttons that you wear with the little clasp on it, but it's a little mirror. So you can take this with you. I think that's just such a sweet touch, you guys. And then also in here, I think these are little temporary tattoos. That is so adorable. Like, is this not the most adorable packaging? They have all these little cherry blossom like temporary tattoos. My kids are gonna love those. And then you get these for every single pair that you get. So you get one for each pair, and this is the little case for the contacts. I have one open already right here. It comes with this, and it comes with this plastic box. This is the tool to remove your contacts. So there's like rubber on here, and you'll go and like remove it. And this is the tool to put the contact in your eye. It looks like a little suction cup, and you just sit the contact there and you put it in. I did this one with my fingers and this one with this tool, and this one actually did make it easier. I think this is great for if you have long nails. I think this is super thoughtful to have little tools, because think about people who like to get their nails done long. How are you gonna put the contacts in? Like, how are you gonna get them out? So I really do like these little tools. I've never seen any other like contact company have this. And I've seen a lot of ads. Like, I don't wear contacts on a normal everyday basis, but I've seen a lot of ads, and I've never seen these types of tools. So I think that's really, really cool that they do that. I wanna go ahead and show you, this is the Hulk green. I wanna show you what it looks like in the case. Like, how gorgeous is this packaging, you guys? Like, I don't know, this just feels super high end with how much they put into detail with the packaging. You know, all of us are suckers for packaging, like, let's be real. But the product feels so good as well. And I just feel like you're definitely getting your money's worth here because of everything that it includes. The only one thing I wish it included was like some extra contact solution or eye drops or something, because for people who maybe don't wear contacts on a regular basis like me, I don't have that readily available at my house. So I'm actually gonna go to the store and pick some up today or tomorrow just to have it, because I do plan on wearing these ones on Halloween. So I do need to get some contact solution and some eye drops. So I can give you like a little bit of a review of how they feel on my eyes right now, because I've been wearing them for about an hour now. And I will say they just feel dry because I don't have the eye drops. So I kind of wish they included just at least a little trial size of eye drops for each pair of contacts would be awesome. They feel comfortable. Once I got them in, it took my eyes like a few minutes to adjust, because my eyes haven't had anything on them like this in a long time, like many years. And so at first I was like crying, and not like crying like but like tearing. And then my eyes got used to them, and now they're completely comfortable, except the fact that I feel a little bit dry. So like I said, I'm just gonna go get some eye drops. I should have prepared myself before the video, but we're on a time crunch because Halloween is almost here. So they do feel comfortable, but definitely get you some eye drops and some extra contact solution for when you order these. I also want to just take the time to note that they have a lot of information on the front of these. It tells you when it was manufactured, the diameter, and it tells you when it expires. And yeah, they have all the little information here for you. I'm sure if you get prescription, it would tell you what the prescription was here. The next one we have here is Dangerous Ruby. So here's what it looks like back here. I figured this would be super good for like a vampire costume, maybe even a zombie, maybe like a creepy, scary little Red Riding Hood. Wouldn't that be really cool? There's just like, the possibilities are endless. I'm telling you, color contacts will take your Halloween costume to the next level. I have never had contacts for my Halloween costume, so I'm very excited. I don't remember if I mentioned again, I'm gonna be using this for my witch costume, just to really make it like obvious that I'm a witch. Well, either that or the white ones. I really can't decide. Maybe y'all can tell me in the comments which one seems like it would be better for the witch costume. But I want to do a vampire look with these. I do have some fangs. I do also think that the red ones could be good for like the clown, like It the Clown. That could be pretty cool. I get so inspired when I see color contacts, because it just makes your costume more obvious, you know? It makes it more obvious that you're dressing up. And I have Zombie Curse, which are the white ones, and these are gonna be creepy, y'all. I'm so excited. You can't even see them because they're white. You guys, these white ones are gonna be so creepy. I'm so excited to try these on. And let me know in the comments, should I do the white ones or should I do the green ones for my witch costume? You let me know. I feel like the white one could be like a sorceress. You know, the white could be, it says Zombie Curse, so obviously it could be a zombie. You could be like a sorceress. You could be Storm from X-Men. I mean, there's just so many ideas, you guys. And then with the ice green that I'm wearing right now, you can wear them for every day, or you can also wear them for your costume. I was kind of wishing that I had these when I was Bride of Chucky, because Bride of Chucky, she has green eyes, and these would be perfect for the Bride of Chucky costume. So you could do that with these because they're more on the natural side. But overall, you guys, I'm really impressed with the quality of this product, the packaging, I mean, the service, I mean, like everything they provide for you, how they packed it in the packaging was just so sweet. You guys know I'm a stickler for how people present things to me. It's all about presentation. I think the presentation of this box was phenomenal. The shipping was not too bad. I want to say like a week and a half. That is why I'm gonna try to get this video up ASAP for you guys. If you need any color contacts for your Halloween costume this year, for cosplay or for everyday wear, and you just want to change up your look sometimes, I will have a coupon code for you. It is KRISKING, and you will get 10% off of your order at TTDEYE. So I'll go ahead and link the coupon code again down below in the description box along with the website link. I literally feel so cute. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet, but I'm like feeling myself so hard right now. Like, why do I not have green eyes naturally? Like, why do I not? Like, it looks so cute. Look it. I just feel adorable right now, okay? Also, I want to give you some more important information about these contacts. They are 1 year soft contact lenses, so they will last you up to 1 year when opened. If they haven't been opened yet, you will go by the date that is on this right here. But once they're open, they have a shelf life of 1 year. A couple of instructions is do not sleep with these, do not go swimming, hot tub, showering with these on. Make sure you wash your hands before you handle them. Make sure that every time that you take them out and put them in their cases that you first rinse them off with contact solution and like rub it in between your fingers to get any smudging off, and then put it into brand new clean contact solution in your little carrying case. And this is just gonna help you keep the quality of your contact lenses good for longer, and also help them be clean and not spread any bacteria. Make sure that you're only using the right for the right eye and the left for the left eye, so again, that you don't like cross contaminate. Okay, so now I've said all that important stuff, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this little tool here. I suggest you obviously washing your hands and obviously cleaning these tools before you use them. Even though they just came straight out of the package, make sure that you're cleaning them before you use them. So I've already cleaned mine, and I am going to try this out. I haven't tried removing this yet, so we're gonna see. Okay guys, I understand how to do it now. It just takes trial and error because I am not a regular contact wearer. So what I do is move it to the side and then pinch it out with these. So move it to the side. And then get it right out, and it's so much easier to do. All right, BROCHIKAS, so that is it for this video. I look crazy right now, but I tried to just put together just a little bit of a like Halloween costume ideas to do with these contacts. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'm gonna try to get this up as soon as possible. So give this a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, if you enjoyed it, and happy Halloween. happy spooky season. I am so excited and also sad because we're only like 2 weeks away from Halloween, but I am so ready to go at the same time. So thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Spooky BROCHIKAS. Bye.